Comfort. Fitbit Alta is comfortable enough for all day and all night wearing, thanks to a few factors found in its design. First off, the module, like the screen, curves slightly. The side that touches your wrist is concave to fit the natural curvature around your wrist. Fitbit Alta. Next up, the latch mechanism is intuitive and hassle-free. The charge HR and surge fasten securely, but are a pain to loop through without devoting unnecessary coordination skills. The Alta is just as snug with 2 push pins on one side and a series of holes on the other to fasten them to. It's generally easier to put on, doesn't pinch arm hair, and the fit is just right. I tried both large and small sized bands and was able to find a comfortable zone in each. The Alta retains its comfort no matter which bands you opt for. I'd go as far as saying that if you close your eyes and fasten the Alta around your wrist, you wouldn't be able to notice the difference between the rubbery feeling classic, the leathery looks, or the stainless steel bands. That speaks a lot to the Alta being a cozy wearable, but also that its optional bands are purely a cosmetic upgrade. Fitbit Alta. Fitbit provided the Alta for review with the large classic pen in black. It retains the etched styling found on the charge and enjoys grabbing onto every dust particle in a 1-mile radius. This thing gets pretty mucky without much effort. Also in the goodie bag was the graphite-colored leather option, and it's a big improvement in terms of looks. But, the leather upgrade is just as comfortable as the classic, and somehow, seems right at home on this Fitbit.